This video shows another epic fail on foams. Foams I'm running at the minute are Contact Marcy racing foams. Do you go down as far as the 25? Do you go to the 35s? Or do you go to the 38s? It's just because obviously the 40s are far too hard, and the car just, I'm sorry, on the road that I'm running, possibly on a runway where you're straight and you're not having to steer the car, that it'll be fine. But on the road that I'm on, where there's a negative camber running in towards the curb and you're having to run the car down, you will sometimes see in my videos that the car, once it goes further in the road, it brakes to the left, because at that point in the road, the road levels out, so naturally whenever it's running down, it's dialed in that it fights against the camber, but when the camber disappears, the car comes across the road. Also at the start of the run, you'll see sometimes the car moves left, brakes left to right, because up there at the top of the road where the run starts, the road is very uneven. There's humps in it from left to right. It's only whenever you see the car starting to go straight, that's when the tarmac is exceptionally good. Turn. We see she's going up there. I'll just wait. See, you'll be able to see her shaking her head here. We see Sam. You watching? See?
Oh, I know.
She's just loose. She's just loose with the bag.